and yeah, so the software that we are downloading today is actually something that runs on a cloud. Okay, we won't be downloading it in our systems like how we download Lens Studio or Flow 3D as a part of our own drives and all that. So it basically, you can open a cloud space and essentially you can, start using the software there. How to do it in the cloud, and how to get started with it. Um, so you will go to the address bar, whichever browser you're using, your address bar, type Google. Okay, and then on that you can type Defooocus AI Colab. Okay, I'll do the whole process and then we will also get started. So you type Defooocus Colab. Okay, and then enter. So the first link that comes is Defooocus underscore Colab. So when you click on this, then this screen, then for me this screen is you have to sign up basically. So you'll need a Gmail, Google account for signing up. Click on sign up, type your whatever Gmail ID is there. Okay, and then you'll come back to this page. Basically this is Defooocus Colab. Okay, and then there will be a drop down. Once you click on the drop down on the right side, connect to hosted runtime T4, you have to click on that. This is basically helping you connect to the cloud to start working. You need a certain kind of, why are we doing this, because you need a certain kind of setting in your laptop or your system to be running this application. This software, this Defooocus AI, requires some kind of settings. That settings can happen, that are being provided to you by cloud. Right now you may not have graphics card or things like that, okay, or whatever it is. So either way, this I don't know too much science behind it, but what I know is that this particular software requires certain features which your laptop might not have, in which case you can just do this all thing in the cloud, and the cloud provides you servers or systems for some time, for a couple of hours, for every session. And every time you are doing this, you log out using this, and then you, every time you are using this application, you have to do the process again. Okay, so this process is something that you will do every time you have to use the application. Once you are logged in and you've run the T4 and everything, then you launch by clicking on this. Okay, that happened, and then it'll this has just, this is a recorded session, so I'm showing you using recorded session. It takes a long time for you to get this particular link. Once you have this link, you have to launch, and then this application will open. This is how the application looks like. Okay, so we will start with going, and then once you're done, we'll use it, and then once we're done, we'll have to log out, disconnect and delete runtime. So basically what we are getting is a runtime on cloud. Okay, all of this does not concern you with the details, but again, this is the process that you'll have to follow all the time, and this is how it's done. All right. How to go about it? Again, we will go ahead and we'll start with Google. Okay, here you're typing Defooocus Colab. We can start doing it now. Okay, so it is called Defooocus. There are three O's in the Defooocus. Okay, D, E, F, three O's and CUS, Defooocus Colab. Once you click on it, you will be reaching here, and you have to click on the first link. Go do this much, and then we'll come to this page, and then we'll get started properly. You'll have to sign in and all of that. Any problems comes, you please ask me.
Ma'am, we have to go in the first one, no? The Google Colab one.
Yes, the Google Colab. Yeah, I have just typed defocus ka spelling and everything here. You go to first one, and then what should open is a signing up, is a sign up page. um, on the right side, top right, you'll have to click on sign up, and आपका email ID and password you can, or whatever it's required to sign up. If you've signed up, has everybody signed up so far?
Sonia,
Sonia,
actually, I
actually, I
can't
can't
see
see
that
that
sign up.
sign up.
It should
It should
ask for
ask for
sign up,
sign up,
no?
no? No, on top left, there will be,
Ah,
on the top right, there will be a sign up button.
um,
It's already showing my account there.
Then you may have signed up. So if you all are already signed up, then no problem. When you do it for first time, it asks for it.
sign up ആയി കിടക്കുവാണോ?
I'm doing
I
it
think
for
it's
first
already
time.
signed in.
You guys are already signed in,
हाँ
right? ठीक है, ठीक है.
Okay, so
ये
no need
this
to, I can use.
this sign in hasn't happened, right?
Yeah, it's already in actually.
Okay, okay. ठीक है, cool. Then we'll move on. Then on the top right, there is connect T4 drop down, right, like this. So you'll have to click on that arrow and connect to hosted runtime T4.
Drop down to create T4 runtime, right?
Hmm. There is an arrow next to connect T4. There is a small arrow.
Hmm.
Yeah. Click on
Yeah.
it and connect to hosted runtime T4.
Hosted. Yeah,
First,
first. Yeah.
first one. Connect to hosted runtime T4.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, click on it. And then next you click on the launch the interface defocus. On the left there is a button
Hmm.
of of like a play button. You can click on it and it will give you a warning. Don't bother, run anyway. Okay, now it will take a while for you to get this link. It'll run a script. That'll happen. Let it run.
what does this website do, ma'am?
This website is an AI website that runs on your system. It is absolutely free of cost, and it is said that it gives you good quality images, and it gives you very like competitive, like Mid Journey and all of these things are there in the market. So, but they are all paid. So Mid Journey, there is no free trial version also. So whatever Mid Journey style images that you can create in this also. That's what. So this is the only free local software that is there.
Okay,
We'll
okay.
get to that. You'll see the possibilities. Once you all once you all have done that and this link comes, you can go to the link and update me if the application is visible to you.
It's still running.
It will take a while. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So once that is finished, what will be the next step? What will be the next step? It will be showing us.
It'll be showing you a software, the proper
Ah,
software, and I'll show you how it looks.
I just want to finish this. Can we finish this before 6? At least 5 minutes before 6.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I
Because
hope so. I mean, depends on
yeah.
what your internet speed and all is there. So this is how it should look like, the software.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah. Sonia, can we take the break at 7 so that time I will go and pick her back.
No worries, even if you go, we'll take from 6. No worries, even if you go, no worries, I'll catch up with you. If you miss
Okay.
something, I'll catch up with you.
Mm-hmm.
We'll take a break on usual time and you
Uh-huh.
can go when you want to and we'll
Fine.
catch up if you miss
Fine.
something.
Mm.